nice though. Like Mustangs everywhere, bro. I'm loving it. I am loving it. Oh, Mr. Chrome Lightning. I built that shit in Forza. It's crazy to see one in real life. Like, that shit is insane. Please focus. That's the Oscar Mayer Wiener, my G. You ever seen that in person? That's crazy. Some may say that's overdone, but I like that. Bram. Bram, bram, bram. Right here, I guess. They got the little Mustang in the head. And they got the Mustang we collect. That's a gorgeous car right there.
Oh, look at this, honey. Very cool.
It's a very nice Mustang.
Okay.
There go my boy down there. Look at this. New Mach 1. Very gorgeous. Very gorgeous. And then you got this with carbon fiber. Golly. Terrible. This Shelby is insane. Probably the other side get better light, but like, look at this. That's insane. And this. Ridiculous. Like, truly ridiculous. How's it going? This is very nice. Yeah, that's nice as shit. This looks like the one I saw not too long ago. This actually might be the one I saw not too long ago. Huh? Both of them, really. The red carpet for it and everything. Different. I like it. I like it.
Do you like it?
Yeah, it's cool. It's very cool. Do you like it?
I've had it a year and a half. I love it.
You do?
Yeah.
Did you say it's better than a Tesla?
You know what? It looks better than a Tesla.
Yes, it does. Very much so.
But I'm less glad Tesla has out 260 miles an hour car.
Yeah, that's crazy.
That is just awesome.
Yeah, it really is.
Thanks, man. Good luck.
It's a beautiful car.
Thanks.
Beautiful car.
How about you guys, bro? Like basically, all you do is and you're done with it?
Oh my God. Get over here, so I'm out of the way. See that?
And I'll make it smile like it's all for you. Forever what you wanna do.
There's nice.
Sunlight breaks my eyes. Something when I wanna learn.
2.3 turbo, sporting the big ego boost. I hear you. Now this bad boy right here. Carbon fiber rims and everything. This is insane. Look at the width on that thing, man. That's Adam LZ, bro. That's why those fucking RTR cars are boost on board. There we go. Very nice, very, very nice. Right on. Nice. Pop, pop.
Mindy, you can turn this one down a little bit and straighten it up a little more. Circulate it right there.
Lucky I got y'all's fucking Mustang. Shut the fuck up.